Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight, we have another video that's going to be part of our bar maintenance series, our bar back series. Tonight, we're going to be changing the drain plug out of our draft beer cooler. Okay guys, what drain I'm talking about? This is your beer draft coolers, where all your spills go in and your extra foam and stuff. Under here, you have your little drain plug. Now this drain plug goes down into the cooler. Some people have it where it goes into the side of the cooler and it goes into your plumbing, which is great. Me, I have this go down into a line, into a bucket that collects every night, and we dump it out and we clean it out. This little drain plug right here is what we're gonna replace tonight. Now, the only tools you're gonna need your good old crescent wrench. Hello. And I learned this from a repair guy. See this right here? This is a 2.5 inch bolt. See the head on this right there? That's a 1/2 inch bolt, which I've taken 2 more screws. I don't know if you can see this okay. Putting a washer in between just like this. I've made a makeshift tool because I do not have an Allen wrench this size to take this out. And like I said, I had a maintenance guy come over and show me this little hack, and I'm passing this on to you guys, and I hope this helps you guys. Okay, so you take the head of this, fits perfectly right in that drain plug. I hope you can get that. You see that okay? Now what you're gonna have to do is put your hand inside the cooler to hold the bottom of this plug, and then you're gonna either take a wrench, these are usually just hand tight, and look at that. This drain plug will literally unscrew. It's a 2-part piece. You can grab this, unhook it. The other piece comes out through the bottom. You can push it with your finger. Okay? And here you go. It's a 2-part piece. See, we broke off the little stem piece to this, so I've got to replace that. It's a 2-part piece, and yeah, it's gross and whatever. But this is called an elbow evaporator drain plug. So when you order those, that's what that's called. Okay guys, this is the new one. Again, it's called an elbow evaporator drain plug. It's gonna come just like this. You're gonna take your little tool, unscrew the top portion. There you go. Now, these come in 2 different kinds. See, this is a straight one. There's also one that goes off to the left or right or whatever. It's a little elbow. Depending on what kind of cooler, if you have it running into your cooler, you're gonna need the elbow, which goes at a 45-degree angle. Since mine goes straight down, I buy the straight one. So here's this bottom piece. What you're gonna do is reach up underneath the cooler and you're gonna put it back into the hole. You just gotta wrangle it back up in there. This piece right here is gonna screw right back down in there. Okay? Okay, so once we got that, we use our tool. We're going to screw this back in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, which I fight with all the time. Okay, it's pretty much hand tight. Okay, it's on there just like that. And guys, this is how easy it is to replace this drain plug. Hey guys, I hope that helps you guys. This is a quick, easy fix. I had to learn this the hard way. I had to call a guy to come out, $90 an hour to come out. These little drain plugs are actually $35 a piece, and that's wholesale. You'll see them online from everywhere from $35 to $100. Hopefully you guys got a shop nearby, or you can get them online. They should run about anywhere between $20 and $35. It's a quick, easy fix. It'll save you some time. Till our next video, I'll see you then.